Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. To display data grouped by cause from 1981 to 1992 using Python pandas, you can follow these steps. In this tutorial, I'll assume you have a dataset with columns like cause, year, and other relevant data. Load your dataset into a pandas data frame. For this example, I'll assume your dataset is stored in a CSV file named your_dataset.csv. Now, you can iterate through the groups and display the data for each cause. Alternatively, if you want to display summary statistics for each group, you can use the describe method. Replace your_dataset.csv with the actual file name of your dataset, and ensure that your dataset has columns like cause and year. Adjust the column names if necessary based on your dataset structure. ChatGPT. Certainly. Displaying data grouped by a specific column in pandas is a common task, and it's quite straightforward using the groupby function. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of displaying data grouped by the cause column from the years 1981 to 1992 using Python and pandas. Make sure you have Python and pandas installed. You can install pandas using the following command if you haven't already. Assuming you have a dataset in a CSV file named your_dataset.csv, you can load it into a pandas data frame as follows. Before proceeding with grouping, it's a good practice to explore your dataset. Check the column names, data types, and a few rows to understand the structure. You can now iterate through the groups and display the data for each cause group. Putting it all together. Replace your_dataset.csv with the actual name of your dataset file. This example assumes your dataset has a year column. Adjust the column names accordingly based on your dataset structure. ChatGPT.